Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some beef steaks right here. So tonight I'm making some steak, potatoes, and vegetables. Okay, so here we go right here. All chopped up into little slices. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season it up. Give it that nice little color. And I'm cooking this in the oven. We're gonna bake this steak. So we don't have to beat it with a knife or nothing, because that oven gonna make the steak extra tender. I have more steak that I gotta chop up, so that's why I got all that seasoning down there. Okay, so now I'm about to go ahead and chop up the rest of the steak, and it's going in the oven on 400. Okay, I have 1/3 cup of cooking wine and 1/2 cup of water. So let's go ahead and cover that with some aluminum foil, and it's going in the oven on 400. Okay, so here we go right here, 1 hour in the oven with aluminum foil on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drain most of the juice out, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven with aluminum foil off for like 25 to 30 minutes, if that. We want it to get nice and tender. That's what we aiming for, some tender steak. Okay, so I have a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, if that. Alright, so we have white onion. I'm really the only one that like onions in the house. So self-control, change the season. Add a little more seasoning, same seasoning. I'm gonna turn the camera on once my potatoes soften up. I'm gonna add our mushrooms. A little corn. Broccoli. Okay, so now I'm gonna add our steak. Now mix everything together. I'm gonna throw some of this mild cheddar cheese on there, and it's going in the oven so that cheese can melt, and we'll put this good food on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our steak and potatoes vegetable bowl. When I say that steak is extra tender, it is tender. This seasoning is lovely. That surf and turf seasoning, not too good. I don't too much like it. I got that seasoning from Ross. I think that was a waste of a couple dollars. But other than that, I'm gonna fix it up myself. I'm gonna fix it up. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put a little doctor hands on them, on that good seasoning, make it happen. But other than that, you know what I mean? I made it happen right here in this good kitchen. Look at us, them potatoes. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.